Today I'm going to share 5 of the best beauty tips for skincare that actually work and can transform your skin if you stay consistent. These are simple, realistic habits you can follow every day, no matter your skin type. First, always cleanse your face gently, never aggressively. Your skin is not dirty, it's delicate. Use a mild cleanser twice a day and massage it in with your fingertips, not with harsh scrubbing. Overwashing or scrubbing too hard damages your skin barrier and causes breakouts, dullness, and early aging. Clean skin should feel fresh, not tight or dry. Second, hydration is everything, both inside and outside. Drink enough water throughout the day, but also seal moisture into your skin with a good moisturizer. Even oily skin needs moisture. When your skin is properly hydrated, it produces less oil, looks smoother, and has a natural glow. Apply moisturizer while your skin is slightly damp for best results. Third, never skip sunscreen, even if you stay indoors or it's cloudy. Sun damage is the #1 reason for dark spots, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone. Use a broad spectrum sunscreen every morning and reapply if you're outside for long hours. Sunscreen is not just protection, it's the strongest anti-aging product you'll ever use. Fourth, be kind to your skin at night. Nighttime is when your skin repairs itself. Always remove makeup before sleeping and use a simple nighttime routine. A gentle cleanser and a nourishing moisturizer or serum is enough. Sleeping with makeup clogs pores, causes breakouts, and makes your skin age faster. Fifth, your skin reflects your lifestyle. What you eat, how you sleep, and how stressed you are shows on your face. Try to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours, eat fresh fruits and vegetables, and reduce sugar and junk food. Even the best skincare products won't work if your lifestyle is damaging your skin. If you follow these 5 tips consistently, your skin will start to look healthier, clearer, and more radiant over time. Skincare is not about perfection, it's about patience and daily care.